Dear students, welcome to English class. Here, Fauzia Jasmine is with you. Before going to the main topic, I want to show you some images. And by watching these pictures, you will try to find out the topic's name. Okay, my dear students, let's see some pictures. What can you see in the first picture? Yes, you are right. A lot of boats in the river. In the second picture, a woman is doing household works in a boat. In the third one, a lady is trying to heal pains by sucking out blood. And in the fourth one, it's a turbulent tense. Dear learners, can you guess the topic name? Yes, you are right. This is about the river gypsies of Bangladesh. This is from Unit 7, Lesson 3, and this is the first part of the story. For our better understanding, we have to know the key words of the passage. Vocabulary increases our skill in learning language. So, it's very important to know the vocabulary. Here, gypsies. Do you know the meaning of gypsies? Let's watch a picture. Can you guess? Yes, it's nomads or travelers who has no particular living place. They travel from one place to another. Dear students, can you make any sentence by using the word gypsies? I know you can. It may be the gypsies are in the habit of nomadic life. The next one, lifestyle, which means existence or the way of life. Here you can also make a sentence like this: how inhuman lifestyle they lead. Next word, culture. Can you guess the meaning? Let's watch a picture. Yes, it means arts or beliefs. And you also make a sentence like this: we have our own culture. Another word, nomadic. Do you know what is the meaning of nomadic? Nomadic means temporary or vagabond. Here there is a sentence for you. And last one, toddlers, means infant or baby or kid. We also make several sentences by using toddlers, like this one: toddlers plays with dogs or other pets in the dust. My dear students, now we will go through the main lesson. The passage is about the river gypsies of Bangladesh. They are an ethnic group. They live in groups and they had no lands of their own. They live a nomadic life. Who has no permanent living place. They travel from one place to another as their demand. Boats are their house and they become a part of our water bodies. Seasonally, their living places have changed. In monsoon, they roam across the rivers in small country boats, and in winter, When the water bodies shrunk up, they returned to the mainland and live in shift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. Their children play with their pets, and the women pass their time by gossiping or by hair doing. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive from natural pearl in water. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. And also their women go from door to door to sell different type of things. They also try to help pain of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in their magical power of the gypsies. Okay, learners, I think all of you understand the passage very well. Actually, these are the income source of the river gypsies. They lead their life by doing all the activities. Dear students, now I will take a little evaluation of you on the passage. Let's go. What is the evaluation? Before starting the evaluation, I want to tell you that from a seen passage, we will get 3 types of questions in our question paper. Question number 1, multiple choice question. Question number 2, short question answer. And question number 3, fill in the blanks. Here, I have given you some multiple choice questions. Let's see what are the questions. In question number 1, the term ethnic is connected with people, plants, animals, fishes. Do you know the answer? Yes, you are right. The answer is people. The second one, river gypsies roam around on their boats about dash months a year. Here is the options 6, 7, 8 or 9. The answer is 8. The third one, river gypsies live in tents in summer, winter, monsoon or spring. I know you know the answer. The answer is winter. Next one, the term nomadic refers to a person living permanently at a place, traveling from place to place, living in one's own house, living in a rented house. Do you know the answer? Yes, you are right. The answer is traveling from place to place. And question number 5. Their boats are their houses because they like to roam, they have no permanent place, they have no living place, they live in a groups. And here is the answer. They have no permanent place. And next, I will give some short question answer for your homework, and you will try to write the answer by reading the passage again, and I think all of you will be able to write the answers. Okay, learners, today talk you later in another class. Till then, bye bye.